Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Traveling time. Sam's mom had to travel a lot for her job. When she took the train, Sam and Dad always stood on the platform and waved goodbye. Sam liked imagining Mom's train chugging past farms and cities. When Mom needed to go farther away, she took a plane. Sam loved to come when Dad dropped Mom off at the airport. Sam liked seeing the planes come and go. Once, Mom took a boat into the city. "It's a special boat called a ferry, Sam. I'll ride the ferry into the city and be back home in time for supper." One day, Sam saw his mother packing again. "Are you taking the train?" he asked. Mom shook her head. "A plane?" "Guess again," said Mom. "The ferry?" Mom smiled and said, "No, the car, but that's not all I'm taking." Just then, Dad brought in his suitcase and a new blue one. Sam started jumping up and down. "You're taking us too!" he cried.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.